welcome to our channel. We are two sisters and we love to have fun and share our passions to all of you.
In audio.
On our channel, you can expect to see everything from fashion and beauty tips
To dance videos and funny vlogs of our daily lives.
We also love to make some funny videos we will think that make you laugh.
We also believe that life is
All
all
about
about having
having
fun and enjoying little things.
In audio. In audio.
So, if you are looking for some inspiration of your own self-care routine and some fashion tips,
Or you just want to have a good laugh, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our sister.
so thank you so much for watching.
See you in our next videos.
Until then, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So never miss an update, obviously, for us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Tara, bye.